If you want fast, clean, and secure wire connections without ever touching a soldering iron, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you the best solderless wire connectors that make any wiring job quick and frustration-free. These are the connectors that DIYers, electricians, and car enthusiasts rely on, and you can check out all of them in the description below. So, if you want the safest and easiest wiring setup, don't forget to click the product links after the video. Let's get started. Product 5 Kuject 320 PCS Heat Shrink Wire Connectors Kit. Think waterproof electrical connectors are complicated and unreliable? I'm an electrical technician with years of automotive wiring experience. Poor crimps cause corrosion, failures, and costly downtime. Use Kuject 320-piece heat shrink connector kit for reliable repairs. Premium copper cores ensure superior conductivity and sustained current flow. Adhesive-lined heat shrink tubing forms a watertight, corrosion-resistant seal. 320-piece assortment covers rings, forks, spades, butt connectors, and more. Color-coded sizing simplifies identification for AWG 2210 applications. Translucent sleeves allow straightforward visual inspection of solder and crimp. Enlarged copper contact and pre-shrunk tubing deliver superior pull strength. Heated adhesive melts, sealing barrels, and preventing moisture ingress. Perfect for automotive, marine, ATV, motorcycle, RV, and household wiring. I use these on my boat lights. No corrosion after months. Kuject Kit combines conductivity, waterproofing, and complete assortment for professionals. Grab the 320-piece Kuject Kit today. Check the product link in the description to grab yours today. Product 4. Hit Lights. So pack 2-pin LED. Strip connectors. Tired of soldering tiny LED strip joints that always fail? Hidden contacts make alignment impossible, wasting time and patience. Worried about reversing polarity and ruining your LED strips? You want clean installs, seamless joins, and quick repairs. Meet Hitlight's 8mm 2-pin solderless connectors. Transparent and compact. No soldering. Screw-tight metal contacts secure strips instantly. Clear housing shows contacts, ensuring precise alignment every time. Designed for 8mm single-color white LED strips only. Ensure metal contacts touch strip and positive-to-positive connection. Kit includes 12 connectors, mini screwdriver, and 3M adhesive pads. Reusable connectors simplify extensions, repairs, and creative DIY lighting. Install faster with neat, low-profile joins that look professional. Perfect for kitchens, cabinets, display shelves, wardrobes, and more. Secure brass clamps ensure reliable, low-resistance connections for safety. Tap the product link in the description to get yours now. Product 3. 340 PCS Solder Seal Wire Connectors, Hystronica, Marine. Corroded marine connections causing intermittent failures and costly repairs. Standard crimp joints, leak under vibration, and saltwater exposure. Wiring repairs take too long with multiple tools and parts. Hidden moisture causes shorts in confined spaces and harnesses. Unreliable visual inspection leads to uncertain, reworked connections. Later, 40-piece color-coded kit covers, AWG 26 through AWG 10. Pre-soldered ring melts evenly, forming durable, conductive solder joints. Adhesive-lined heat shrink creates watertight, vibration-resistant seals. Instantly transparent bodies allow quick visual inspection of solder and seal. Kit organized in clear compartment case for fast selection. Marine-grade materials resist corrosion, abrasion, and harsh environments. Compatible with heat gun and common crimping tools for convenience. Save time with reliable, one-step soldered heat shrink connections. Reduce rework and failures, lowering maintenance costs on boats. Peace of mind, knowing splices withstand saltwater, vibration, and weather. Check the product link in the description to grab yours today. Product 2. 350 PCS Heat Shrink Solder Seal Butt Kit. Late night, stranded boat, rain pattering, wires sparking softly. His daughter sleeps below. Engine silence brings quiet worry. I reached for my 350-piece solder seal kit that night. No crimping, no heavy soldering. Only a heat gun. One quick pass of heat, connectors sealed and bonded. Hot melt adhesive locks out water. Worries drift away. Visible solder ring melts perfectly. Professional-grade, corrosion-resistant joint. Works on boat, car, RV, every shore and road. Color-coded assortment makes matching wires simple in minutes. 350 pieces, enough for repairs and peace. Fixing that wire felt like protecting our little family's journey. Made for pros and DIYers who refuse compromise. Seals provide strain relief and long nights of safe travel. That night, we sailed home, children dreaming, worries gone. Get your 350-piece solder seal kit today. Check the product link in the description to grab yours today. Product 1. Waterproof Solder Seal Wire Connectors Kit. Frustrated by unreliable wire connections that corrode or fail unexpectedly. Traditional soldering is messy, time-consuming, and needs bulky tools. Water intrusion on marine or automotive wiring causes constant shorts. Vibration loosens crimps and connectors during rough driving or waves. Finding the right connector size wastes time during critical repairs. Solder Stick integrates low-temperature soldering and adhesive-lined heat shrink. Pre-fluxed solder melts quickly, forming reliable electrical contact instantly. 2-to-1 heat shrink tubing creates tight, strain-relieving insulation around joints. Hot melt adhesive seals out moisture, delivering IP67 level waterproof protection. Color-coded sizes 12, 10, 16 to 14, 22, 18, 26 to 24 ensure correct fit. Compact kit offers 50, 100, or 250-piece options for flexibility. Faster repairs. One-step solder and seal halves your job time confidently. Durable, corrosion-resistant joints last in saltwater, road, and outdoor conditions. Vibration-resistant splices reduce rework and increase system reliability. Check the product link in the description to grab yours today. And before you go, like the video, drop a comment, subscribe for more helpful reviews and DIY tips.